to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. I gotta tell you, I see you guys more than anybody in my family, more than any of my friends, more than watching it over and over and over again.
Yes, glad to hear it, man.
In fact, you may have noticed I just had to switch my cell phone off because people are calling me right now wanting to know what you guys are really like because everybody I know watches this movie over and over again.
I'm glad you saw it. I'm going to be honest, you're just a tiny bit out of the demographic.
Well, it's largely because of my daughter that I'm watching it.
Cool.
But, you know, you got to win in Rome,
Yeah,
right?
Definitely.
Where were you guys when you realized that this movie had proliferated, that it got huge?
You know, I don't think there's an exact moment.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
just everything builds up on top of each other, and here we are, and we're traveling all over the place. And I mean, just like from a Disney Channel, we never expected it.
Yeah, it was a series of small events, like looking and seeing yourself on iTunes, you know, on the top 80 or 100 song charts, and then, you know, seeing yourself in Rolling Stone, and then having people come up and ask for autographs. And the, you know, culmination of all that was just, you know, the movie did